You're telling me that instead of spending $500 on Botox, I could just rub a banana peel on my face? Seriously? Everywhere you scroll lately, someone's smearing banana peel on their face and swearing it gave them skin smoother than a baby's butt. But is this just another TikTok fairy tale? Or is there actual science behind this sticky fruit skin magic? In this video, we're putting the banana peel anti-aging hack to the test. From what it does to your skin, to whether it's legit or just banana-flavored BS, let's peel back the truth. Okay, let's talk bananas. Not the kind you toss in your smoothie. I'm talking about the part you throw away. The peel. For decades, this yellow wrapper was the punchline of slapstick comedy, something you slip on in cartoons. But now, it's being hailed as nature's Botox. People claim rubbing the inside of a banana peel on your face for 10 to 15 minutes daily can reduce wrinkles, brighten dark spots, tighten your skin, and even make you look years younger. But before you grab your overripe bananas and start massaging your face like it's a spa day in the produce aisle, let's get into what's actually going on here. So where did this trend even start? Like most strange but compelling beauty tricks, it popped up on TikTok and Instagram, where beauty influencers and DIY skincare lovers claimed banana Botox was their anti-aging secret. One viral video showed a woman with no makeup, no filter, rubbing banana peel on her face, and her skin looked almost too flawless. Smooth, glowy, firm. The comment section? Pure chaos. People begging for the banana peel method routine. And of course, the internet took off with it. But here's the big question. Can something that's usually compost actually compete with an injectable neurotoxin? To answer that, we need to break down what Botox actually does, and what banana peel might be doing instead. Botox, short for botulinum toxin, is a purified protein that works by blocking the nerve signals in your muscles. Basically, it temporarily freezes them, so you can't wrinkle that area. That's why people use it to relax their forehead lines or crow's feet. The muscles just stop scrunching. Banana peel? It doesn't block nerves. It doesn't freeze muscles. But it does contain some pretty interesting stuff. Turns out banana peels are packed with antioxidants, especially lutein, which is known to fight oxidative stress. That's the stuff that ages your skin faster, kind of like rust on metal. There's also vitamin A, good for cell turnover, vitamin C, brightening and collagen boosting, and vitamin E, skin barrier repair. On top of that, it contains natural sugars and amino acids that help moisturize and nourish your skin. One study published in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry found that banana peel extract has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Another found that its antioxidant content could help reduce damage caused by free radicals, aka those unstable molecules that make you look older before your time. So yeah, banana peel isn't just trash. It's basically nature's anti-aging serum wrapped in yellow pajamas. But here's where things get tricky. Just because banana peel has good ingredients doesn't mean it works like Botox. Think of it like this. Just because your kitchen has flour, sugar, and eggs doesn't mean you've baked a cake. You still need the right amounts, the right preparation, and, crucially, the right delivery system. A lot of those vitamins and antioxidants are deep in the peel. Simply rubbing it on your face might not release enough of them for your skin to actually absorb. Dermatologists are pretty skeptical. Dr. Shireen Idris, a board-certified dermatologist with millions of followers, said in an interview that banana peel might moisturize your skin slightly and give it a temporary glow, but comparing it to Botox is a stretch. She's not saying it's useless. She's just saying, don't expect miracles. That said, some users swear by it. Let me tell you about Emma, not her real name, but a 42-year-old mom who went viral on Instagram for sharing her banana peel glow-up. She said she was broke after a tough divorce and couldn't afford skincare products anymore. So she started using what she had, banana peels from her breakfast. She'd rub them on her face for 15 minutes every night before washing with cold water. She did this daily for 30 days. Her before and after pics were jaw-dropping. Her skin looked plumper, brighter, and even the fine lines around her eyes looked smoother. People in the comments were asking if she secretly got fillers. She swore she didn't. Just bananas. Placebo? Lighting tricks? Natural skin cycle? Maybe, but maybe not. See, one thing that does make sense is the peel's natural tightening effect. When it dries on your face, it forms this slightly stiff, tacky layer that can make your skin feel tighter, temporarily, kind of like how an egg white mask works. So people think it's working like Botox when it's actually more like a short-lived facelift effect that washes off with water. But even a temporary lift is still a win, right? Especially if you're on a budget or just want to try something that's chemical-free and natural. Now let's talk side effects. The good news? For most people, banana peels are pretty safe. They're gentle, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic for the majority of skin types. But, and this is important, if you're allergic to latex, you might also react to banana peels. That's because bananas contain chitinase proteins, which are similar to latex proteins. So if you get a rash or irritation, stop immediately. Also, don't use old moldy peels. That's just begging for a skin infection. Use fresh peels, preferably organic, because the skin can absorb pesticides from conventional bananas. Here's how people are using it. Eat the banana. Take the inside of the peel and gently rub it on clean skin. 3. Focus on areas with fine lines. Forehead, smile lines, under eyes. 4. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with cold water and pat dry. 6. Apply your moisturizer right after. Repeat this daily or a few times a week. Some people even blend the peel into a paste and add honey or aloe vera for a mask-like treatment. Now here's the bigger problem most people run into. Impatience. Everyone wants results yesterday, but even the best anti-aging products, yes, even the pricey ones, take time. Your skin renews itself every 28 to 40 days depending on your age. So don't expect your face to turn into a glazed donut overnight. Give it at least a few weeks to show subtle changes. Also, don't fall into the natural is always better trap. Sometimes natural ingredients can be irritating, and sometimes scientifically formulated products are more effective. That's why some dermatologists say, sure, try the banana peel if you want, but don't ditch sunscreen, retinol, or a good moisturizer for it. Think of it as an extra, not a replacement. So, is banana peel really a natural alternative to Botox? Short answer, not really. Longer answer, it's not going to freeze your muscles or erase deep lines like Botox does. But it might hydrate, brighten, and give your skin a temporary glow and lift. And if that makes you feel good, then that's a win in itself. Sometimes the best beauty hacks aren't about looking 10 years younger. They're about feeling a little better when you look in the mirror. Even if that confidence boost comes from rubbing a banana on your face. And hey, if nothing else, you're moisturizing and reducing food waste. Mother Nature would be proud. So here's the real deal. Banana peel won't give you Botox results, but it does have real nutrients your skin can benefit from. It might make your face feel tighter temporarily. It's basically free, safe, and easy to try. And it won't hurt, unless you're allergic. So go ahead, grab a banana, snack it, and give your skin a little tropical TLC. Just maybe don't do it in public, unless you want people to think you've truly gone bananas. If you found this helpful, don't stop here. Check out the next video popping up on screen where we test coffee ice cubes under the eyes for instant depuffing. If this helped you feel even 1% better, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.